Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna show some of my uh, Iranian foods I make. Okay, this food is very simple. It's nimroo in Farsi, and all you need is a pan, some oil, 2 eggs, and some seasoning. I'll tell you what seasoning you need. You just on put on the fire and then put some oil, not a lot, a little oil, and then you just break the eggs on it. Break another egg. Okay. As you can see, you broke the egg. Now some like it like this. بهش میگه اصلی. In Farsi, we tell it asali, nimroo asali. Or you can just yellow things and just spread it. I like to spread it, so I recommend it to spread. Now I'll put the seasoning on it. What I like is the pepper, the black pepper. It's very good. Don't put too much, it will be spicy. Just put a little. I also put a little, very little salt on it. Not very much. As you can see, it's very little. We tell this seasoning abishan. I don't know what you call it. It's green and it's very nice.
Rich.
Okay, that's all of the seasoning. You just wait until it becomes firm and white. You just have to wait. And when it's ready, I will show you. Okay, as you can see, it's almost ready. It's firm, it's white. Yeah, you just put a little of it this side. Okay, you can cook faster. You can flip it over, but I don't like it. I like it to just be like this. Yeah. Okay. It's ready, I think. When you put it like this, it's firm. Yeah, this is my creation. It's nice. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. See you till next time. Bye.